So we're finally done with the project. We took the old wall that the customer had, braced the home, knocked the wall down, poured a brand new footing, rebuilt the wall with rebar, Durawall, poured the outside, filled the courses solid, sprayed a waterproof coating on the outside, and backfilled. On the interior, we installed interior drainage. We put 3-inch perforated pipe with gravel. We left a little flange here of Delta drain, so this way if any water comes through this wall floor joint, it will drain into here, get taken down into the waterproofing system, and ultimately lead to the basin. This wall was out 1.5 inches. In order to fix that, we installed carbon armor reinforcement strips. In order to do that, we ground down the wall, laid an epoxy coating on it, and fastened the carbon fiber to the wall and attached it to the box beam. So the box beam was used as leverage to keep the wall straight and safe. We also installed this step footing. We drilled into the last course of block, installed rebar, and then poured our footing in front of it. This way, the bottom of the wall also has structural integrity too. So as you can see in the befores, the customer had jackhammered out around the foundation. Him jackhammering around the foundation led to all these structural integrity damages. So we needed to address the problem where it originally started, at the wall floor joint. By installing this step footing, we restored structural integrity back to the home where the problem originated, and now the walls are strong and safe for years to come. What you see here is our patented Smart Jack system. While we were doing the work, we heard a loud crash and looked over, and one of the customer supports had given up and fallen out because at the bottom, it rotted from being in years and years of a wet basement. So in order to fix that, we installed 3 brand new Smart Jack systems. What's so great about these Smart Jacks is this 1-inch thick adjustable thread at the top. What that does is allows us to adjust the amount of pressure on every single one of these jacks to ensure that there's an even load spread throughout the home. This wall was deflected about 2.5 to 3 inches. In order to fix that, we installed power braces. In order to install the power braces, we had to dig down and create footings for each individual power brace because the customer had already jackhammered out the wall floor joint. After we poured the footings, we set the power braces, and then we installed the bridge bracket system to use the force of the home to start pushing the wall back, restore structural integrity for the homeowner, and keep the home safe for years to come.